The time is now 8:31 a.m. Eastern Standard on 11:20. We have a preferred entry set up here on ES1 trading in real time. Your contract month December 2014 at 2036.50. Now hit large volume contract sizing coming in. A test. We do not have a go situation as of yet. A test on major volume coming in for the sell brought prices down swiftly. And that came from the open of the bar at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard. That open price, again, was 2040.50. Prices are sustained at 2037. Off that on the 1-minute floor level, 15-minute support is 2036.75. Therefore, the preferred entry again is 2036.50 on a test. We're looking for a close at that level or possibly even below. The MFI has just turned back around, most recent close and open of the new bar. So this is a change, and we have a short-term trend line violation here as well. Looking for the confirmation on that to the downside as a signal. To be short, 15-minute level, penetrated again. 2036.75, there we have it. For the most part, geared, ready to go, but no follow-through just yet on the 1-minute chart. Again, trading in mini futures this morning, 8:31 a.m. Eastern Standard on 11/20/2014. We're prepared for the short. We'll cut the tape and come back if and when the follow-through comes to play. Jeff Killian, Chief Market Strategist for the Inside Technician, off tape at 8:33 a.m. 11/20/2014. Okay, traders, the time is now 8:48 a.m. Eastern Standard on 11/20/2014. Prices retraced to the upside. As you know, we never went short here because of no follow-through. We're again testing the 2037 level, and now below that, looking for the preferred entry at 2036.50 for the best possible fill. One more test. We'll need significant volume at or near this level in order to consider trading short, looking for the follow-through to 2035.75, 2034.75, and possibly even as low as this point right here. That level becomes 2033.75. That's 2033.75. Waiting on MACD to fire. Confirmations, CMF turnaround to the downside. MFI is good to go. We're back off tape at 8:50 a.m., 11/20/2014. That's 0850 hours until the follow-through comes into play. And we'll roll it then. Time is now 8:58 a.m., 11/20/2014, with the end of day bias being to the downside. A smart money bias market trading call is just short of getting out of net neutral to a level 6 short entry level to the downside, and therefore the bias for the real-time trading would be to the downside on a preferred setup today. ES1 price is trading mark to the market at 2036.75. That's 2036.75. We're looking for the short. The preferred entry for the best possible fill is 2036.50 on a 1-minute chart, getting through 2036.75 on a 15-minute support level. MFI, CMF, clear to be short. CMF value at a negative 2.22. MACD is close, not there yet. And we are on hold for additional volume to come in. Prefer to see 2,500, 3,000 lots traded short to get to and follow through. Cut the tape. Back at now at 8:59 a.m. on 11/20/2014, and we'll roll it again on the entry, looking for the follow through. Preferred entry has now been hit. It is now 9 a.m. Eastern Standard, 11/20/2014. Preferred entries have been hit. Volume is light. We're looking for larger contract sizing to come in. 2036.75 MTM on hold. $15-minute level found as support once again at the 2036.75 level. The only way the follow through will come to play after the preferred entry is closed at and below is with substantial volume coming in. We're looking for 2,500, 3,000 lots traded short. 901 back off tape. 9:10 a.m. Eastern Standard, 11:20 preferred entry's been hit again on a test. This time we have a higher probability the trade will follow through as long as the volume increases. The setup is strong on the 15-minute indicators across the board. Looking for the close and the follow through at 36.50. That's 2036 and 50. We are there. Follow through. On the prices themselves, volume increases, clear to be short, and prices moving down sharply now. Preferred entry hit, filled at 36.25 on a fast-moving bar. That's 36 and 25. 35.75 has been hit. Contract sizing that's come in is over 2,900 now within the 1-minute bar. Again, incremental hit, 35.75, looking for 34.75 and 33.75. Scalpers would take it off on a limit order to the downside, hit at 35 and 75 for a quick profit. MTM 2036. That's 2036. $20.35.75. Methodology says clear to remain short. Price is now testing. Continuation move to the downside, looking for the 20.34.75 level. Total contracts traded, 912 on the entry bar, 36.27 lots. Following through new volume level here, 22.01. Scalpers would take this off right here at 20.35 and 75 for the guaranteed profit after the preferred entry at 20.36 on a limit order or stop. And the spread between the two, guaranteed the profit. Long-term holders, clear to remain short. $13.21 lots. And you open at 35.25, 35.25 now, 9:13 a.m. Eastern. 11/20/2014 again trading ES. Near contract December 2014. MTM 2035.50. And prices back up. Now for those who would have been out of the trade, on the scalp for the in and the out, there is another possibility to get a second leg, but only if prices would get through 35.75 with additional volume for a follow through, looking to get the 475 especially, 33 and 75 to the downside. If prices hold the ceiling here, there is a possibility prices will continue to move. We have an uptick on the MFI and CMF. So as it stands right now, there would be no need to stay in this trade up until we get a downtick out of those two. It is now 9:14 a.m. Eastern Standard. In and the out. Predicted quick profit. Once again, in at 2036.50 on a fast-moving bar, 2036 and 25, and out just below 2037.75. Excuse me, at 2035 and 75 at 2035 and 50. That's a quick 7.75. 37.50 contract gain times 20. $750. Long-term holders, never any need to be out of this trade where the original entry here at 20.36 and 50 was never even touched to the upside. This is the beauty of trading the best of the best setups, because when everything lines up, large volume comes in, the probabilities of prices turning right back around and trading in the opposite direction quickly are minimized. It is now 9:18 a.m. We'll cut the tape. If prices continue to follow through, we'll pick it back up. So for this morning, quick 750 out.